And welcome back to my channel. So in this video I will tell you that how to rejoin WhatsApp group after left without admin. So first of all, you will open up your WhatsApp, then tap on three dots at the top right and go to the settings here. So basically there is only one way to do this. Okay, there is no other way. There is only one way to do this. And then you will tap on account here, and basically you have to change your phone number. Okay, so tap on change phone number and then tap on next here, and then you have to basically enter first your old number, and then you have to enter your new number. Okay, and after you have entered your new number, when you will basically open up that group that you have left from your chat, you will see the option to join the group. Okay, and then you will be easily join the group. And the other method to join the group, okay, is to basically go into that group and message the admin that and tell him that you have accidentally left the group, so please send you the invitation to join the group again. Okay, so there is no other way to do this. Okay, so that's it for this video, guys. If you find it useful, kindly like this video and subscribe to my channel, and I will meet you in the next video.